Hi there and welcome back to ICP DOS USA's YouTube channel. Today's video covers managing lighting challenges and solutions that ICP DOS is committed to enhancing with our products. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another video like this. And check us out on our website at icpdas-usa.com to chat with our team and find the products mentioned in the video. All right, back to it. In large offices, light switches are often scattered throughout the building. This can make managing lighting a real hassle. Manually toggling switches is not only a waste of time, but can definitely contribute to unnecessary energy consumption. That's where the TSH-730 Series serial port sharer module devices come in. These versatile devices offer a solution to streamline office lighting management. With its 3 built-in serial ports, the TSH-730 Series modules support connections with 2 HMIs. This means management personnel can control all lights from these HMIs. How it works is the central control system, typically an HMI SCADA system, communicates to the TSH-730 Series module, which acts as a central hub, allowing multiple HMIs to communicate with various lighting systems. By connecting the different lighting zones to the TSH-730 Series module, you can create a centralized control system. This eliminates the need for manual switch toggling and provides a more efficient way to manage your lighting. The benefits of using this solution are centralized control, improved efficiency, energy savings, and enhanced comfort. In the diagram here, you can see a very simple lighting solution for this office space. The TS-735i serial port sharer is communicating to the TPD HMI master controllers through RS-485 communication, and it is also communicating with the lighting controls through that same RS-485 communication, allowing for just a seamless control for this office space. With the solution, it's clear that this is a valuable tool for a office space. It provides that centralized control solution to help reduce manual labor, save energy, and create an overall comfortable working environment. So if you're looking to optimize your office lighting system, the TSH-735 Series modules are definitely worth the investment. Interested in learning more about these modules and how you can find a custom solution for your business? Leave us a comment below and visit our website at icpdas-usa.com to talk to our team and find what works for you. Thanks so much. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. See you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.